it knows that, but first of all, it knows that we're together because it's hearing the same thing, right? And then, if we turn on speaker identification, right, because my phone tends to actually hear me over time, it will build a model of what I sound like, right? And then now, as I'm talking, you can see it that it's actually starting to show what that is.
And this is why you made me read that very strange passage to you last week, so that it would know it was me. It's sneaky. So effectively, we have two phones. They know who their owners are, because they can hear us, but they also know they're together because they have models of proximity.
Exactly.
That's pretty cool.
Exactly.
Because that means you can start to do interesting things in terms of recommendations, right?
Exactly. So now, every time we actually go together, we'll start to understand that these are the type of things that we do, which could be very, very different with what we do actually when we're alone, right?
Cool. All right, I know that's not what you want to show me. What else have you got?
So I have actually something in my pocket. So, as always. So, you mentioned earlier the whole notion of passwords, right? And how complex that is. And honestly, if you think about it, there's this trade-off between usability and security, right? I have to get my phone out, I have to enter some password. That's actually problematic, right? Now, if you start to think about different signals, we talked about my phone being able to recognize me from my voice, right? But what if I'm actually in a noisy environment? Right? What actually happens, right? So I've been thinking about how do we change this trade-off, because security is not really binary, right? If I'm trying to access my bank account, I don't need the same type of, I need much more security than the type of security that I might need if I just want to know where my next meeting is. So we figured, okay, what are other modalities that we can use that don't require a lot of manual intervention? So if you think about this, my phone can recognize the way I walk, right? Because walking pattern or gait of people is actually very specific to who they are.
So basically your phone knows it's you because of the way you're walking?
Yes, because it has seen me walk over a very long time. So let me show you.
Prove that?
Oh, absolutely. I can. So look at this. All right?
As if by magic.
So now, it's actually streaming accelerometer data. And as I start walking, it will recognize I'm walking. And then it knows that it's me because it has seen me walk for a very long time. Now, of course, when I change what I'm wearing and all of that, it will have to learn all these new things. But
are you telling me if I run off with your phone, it will know?
That's what I would hope. It actually knows me well.
Right,
let's see if it does.
Shall we test this?
Please.
All right. Oh, God, it knows I'm doing something. Uh-oh. Oh, there we go. That's what we like better. So, wait a second. Will it know if I'm wearing flat shoes, which we know almost never happens, versus heels?
Well, the thing is, what's really cool about this is that over time, the idea is your phone over time will start to...
So it accumulates information.
Exactly. So now when you wear something else, well, it won't know that, right? Because your gait would change. It's not like it's 100%, but the thing about it is that over time, as it learns you, it will know this is what you look like in heels, and this is what you look like on these surfaces versus other surfaces.
It's kind of amazing. So what you're basically telling me, take the phone away because I'll do nothing but trouble with it. What you're basically showing us here is some really different ways of thinking about context, about how technology will know us, know our bodies, and be able to do things. That's actually really cool. Will you join me in thinking, Lama?
Thank you so much.
Thank you.